In this video, we will be installing front shock absorbers on a Jeep Wrangler JK 2013. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Brand introduction, safety warning sheet for installation, brand stickers, 3 different size bushings, and shock absorber. Fit an appropriate size bushing into the rubber bushing. Tools required for the front shock absorber's removal and installation. Breaker bar, large torque wrench, 18mm deep wrench, 17mm deep wrench, 15mm deep quick wrench. Tools for the bushing removal and installation. Large size short extension, 18mm long socket, 22mm short socket, 18mm short socket, large size electric impact wrench. Using a transmission jack to assist during the installation, lift the vehicle. Use an 18mm long socket with a short extension to loosen the wheel hub bolt. Use an 18mm long socket with an electric impact wrench to loosen the hub bolt. Remove the hub. Use an 18mm wrench with an 18mm socket and breaker bar to remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Remove the nut. Use a 17mm wrench to remove the upper shock absorber mounting bolt and nut. Hold the shock and then remove the upper mounting rubber bushing. Press down the shock and remove the lower mounting bolt. Remove the shock to install a new one. Here's our new shock absorber. Find the appropriate bushing. There are 3 different size bushings. Here we'll use the longest one. This one should be appropriate. Take out the bushing you need. Install bushing with tools for rubber bushing installation. Put bushing at the exact center of the rubber bushing. Use a 22mm socket with electric impact wrench to install bushing. Before installing the shock, remove the nut first, washer, and bushing. Install the shock. Install the bolt. Use transmission jack to jack up the suspension. Fit the shock absorber into the mounting bolt hole. Install the bushing, washer, and nut. Raised side of the bushing downward. Raised side of the washer upward. Install the bushing, washer, and nut onto the bolt. Use a 15mm wrench and ratcheting wrench to install the upper mounting nut of the front shock absorber. Tighten it. Lower the transmission jack. Prepare for lower mounting bolt installation. Install the lower shock absorber mounting nut. Use an 18mm wrench with an 18mm socket. Torque it to 80 Nm or 59 foot-pounds with torque wrench. Secure the lower shock mounting bolt. Install the wheel hub and the hub bolt. Use an 18mm long socket and a large size short extension bar with a large electric impact wrench to tighten the hub bolt. Lower the vehicle. Torque the wheel hub bolts to 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds with an 18mm long socket, a large short extension bar, and a large torque wrench.